boy PK. We out here, Schoongezicht. We're doing day 2, a 7K trail. Looking forward to it. I rested nicely yesterday. Nice accommodation for a hiking place. So yeah, let's see what this trail is in store for us. Let's do this, guys.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Jump.
That one's slim people.
Where's the next one?
I don't see.
We must be here.
This one I don't see.
We must be here.
Huh?
You'll be here. We were supposed to see it here.
You see it?
Yeah.
Where?
In the front.
Okay, I'll follow you. Are you sure this is ours?
It's a fake. I guess it's a fake house. It's not it. We celebrated too early.
Do we close?
Yeah. We jumped the gate again.
Nice.
It means we're going through that house.
Oh. Oh, so it's like caving back. We are going back.
Yeah, going through they wanted to go through this house. Maybe something's happening here. You are looking at the door. Oh, this is, it looks, I feel fun. I feel like we're in one of those horror movies.
I know.
Boy PK, you're having a great time. Look at this lady. She's laughing. She's having a great time. What do you think about the trail so far?
Now the trail is beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying today.
Yeah. So we're supposed to do a 7 trail, but we got, or tell them what the news.
No, we're doing 12Ks. It's a 12K trail.
Yeah,
not
the
a
people
7K.
in front, they said it's a 12K, not a 7K. Extra 5Ks, man. That's what I call a bonus. As usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification. You know the rest. Whilst you sit at home, I'm dealing this for you. I'm representing you here. Let's do this. We've been working for a long time, and the markings have seemed to have stopped. We don't know which road to use. Yeah, we have to make a call real quick. They have to make a call. I think we should just go over that bridge and going to push our way to the end. Yeah, because it's hot already. It's 11, close to 11 a.m. It's already like 35 degrees. Yeah, I'll have to make the decision. Let's do this. We decided to check the field on the western end, but it was filled with ants. The ants are here. Ants for days on my shoes. Ants. The ants are everywhere. They're crazy, these ants. Look.
The problem also is water.
Oh, so let's go back down there.
Yeah, let's go back. Look.
And the highway is here, you see it.
Meters.
15 kilometers. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Never ending. And they finished 45 minutes ago. The message that Kathy sent 45 minutes ago.
Oh my word.
We managed to find the trail, and now it's a race to the finish. People have completed this trail 2 hours ago, yet we are the last 2 remaining on the trail.
You know how freaky accident happened.
Yeah.
And people ask, what are you doing?
Time.
So from the time they send the message is 1 hour.
I'll check now. Exactly.
Shower.
Yeah, I enjoyed this hike this weekend. Something different for a change. I really love it. As usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification to get alerted when the next hiking video comes out. See you next time on the hiking experience. Next time on the hiking experience.
Good challenge. The steep hill came in at a good time.
Yeah,
It is hot.
hot, ne?
No Ubers. Is there no Ubers on this route?